AI workloads are redefining critical infrastructure, changing how systems are designed, deployed, and operated for performance at scale. Vertiv Services is a lifecycle model built for recurring value, with expertise that turns complexity into confidence and delivers consistent performance across the full lifecycle. Consulting starts with engineering insights that shape outcomes before deployment. Design optimization is informed by real system requirements, driving efficiency, scalability, and long-term value. At the implementation stage, deployment excellence happens at global scale, with commissioning built on OEM knowledge and proven standards, so customers get consistent execution, repeatable quality, and a faster time to value. With always-on service support across the global installed base, lifecycle services sustain performance over time, even across complex mixed-vendor environments. Through continuous performance optimization and operational insights that improve efficiency over time, intelligent tuning can deliver up to 15% energy savings. With Vertiv NextPredict, predictive maintenance is informed by real operating data, providing actionable intelligence across the infrastructure portfolio. Vertiv Academies built expert teams for consistent global execution, with training aligned to real-world conditions. Vertiv is uniquely qualified to support AI infrastructure at scale, with approximately 5,300 service engineers, more than 31 training academies across 6 continents, and approximately 320 service centers. Vertiv Services, powering AI performance across every phase of the customer journey.